So in this video, we'll see how quickly you can create a child theme and you can update the header, course name or the breadcrumb course name with a different name. So in this video, basically we'll see we will not be using the course full name nor the course short name. I will be adding here the additional field. Let's say the course display name within the course, and I will try displaying that particular display course name to the course header and the breadcrumb. Okay, so in this process, you will be creating a child theme, copy a same boost, inheriting USA. So let's see how it works.
on the